In this video, we will reveal powerful secrets that can help you earn $1,000 a day. So, let's get started. The first secret to making quick cash is by utilizing the power of online freelancing platforms. Platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect you with clients all over the world who are willing to pay for your skills. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a voiceover artist like me, these platforms offer endless opportunities to earn a substantial income from the comfort of your own home. Another sneaky finance technique is by becoming a savvy online trader. Companies like eToro and Robinhood allow you to invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets with minimal fees. By learning and utilizing proven trading strategies, you can make significant profits in a short amount of time. However, it's essential to educate yourself and start with small investments to minimize any risks involved. Ready to flip some items for quick cash? E-commerce platforms like eBay and Amazon offer a vast marketplace for reselling products. You can start by sourcing low-cost or discounted items locally and then reselling them for a profit online. With a little research and some negotiation skills, you can quickly turn this into a lucrative venture. Generating passive income is another secret to making quick cash. This can be achieved through various avenues, such as affiliate marketing, creating and selling online courses, or even publishing ebooks. By leveraging your knowledge and expertise, you can create assets that generate income for you while you sleep. Lastly, never underestimate the power of local services. Whether it's pet sitting, house cleaning, or gardening, there are always people in your community willing to pay for these tasks. By marketing your services locally and providing excellent customer experiences, you can build a loyal clientele that generates consistent income. And there you have it, 5 sneaky finance techniques to help you earn $1,000 a day and improve your financial success. Remember, these opportunities require dedication, persistence, and sometimes a bit of trial and error. But with the right mindset and determination, you can unlock the potential for quick cash in your life. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these secrets today and take control of your financial future.